The UNE Brain Fair is when we open ourselves up to the community. We bring people here to experience what it's like to be a neuroscientist.
We have a wide variety of activities. Some of them involve dissections. Kids can come in, look, cut up sheep brains, eyeballs, see human brains.
And this little part right here, that's your temporal lobe, and that helps you hear because it's right underneath your ears.
Here it is.
We have a cognition section where you can learn about memory, learning, emotion. We have some activities on brain safety, including concussion and traumatic brain injury. We also have some activities on addiction, so kids can learn about chemical safety and how to keep their brain safe.
We do a lot of outreach to the schools. We go visit schools with volunteers, but this is a chance to bring them to us, give them the little taste of what college can be like and what we have to offer here.
Science is fun, right? It can be hands-on, it can be interesting. And so we're trying to help them understand the role of science broadly and neuroscience, brain sciences more specifically.
This truly gives them the experience of what it's like to be a neuroscientist and to be a neuroscience student here at UNE.